This project is going to be putting the rudder pedals and the brakes for the pilot in the front seat in the aircraft. The front rudder pedals are adjustable. That's that T-piece there that allow it to be adjusted for the height of the pilot. And so I'll be installing those pieces in this part of the project. Once again, I got ahead of myself with the work, so went ahead and worked on the adjustable rudder pedal for the pilot setup. So the swing arm, had the swing arm installed, assembled the pedals. This is the rudder pedal, this is the toe brake. The brake line will attach to here, which will pull the cable, which will pull the brake cylinder. And then back here you have, this will attach to the cable that runs the rudders. So this is the setup. This swing arm in the middle allows for the adjustment of the rudder pedals depending on the pilot height. So this weldment piece right here that looks like a little cross is installed. So I installed the bushing here and 2 bushings on the side. The rudder pedal, or the cables for the rudder pedals, will go through that hole and through this hole over here. So that's where the rudder cables will go, and they'll run backwards. And then this bar moves to allow the rudder pedal. So you turn this handle back here, it turns inside here, and the rudder pedals will move forward and back for different height pilots. So the way this mechanism works for the rudder pedals is there's a threaded piece that goes into this front tie that has holes for the cables to come through. There's a handle on this side, and these 2 nuts are locked into place on this thread. So if you want it to go forward, you turn it this way, and it pushes it forward, and those nuts are set to keep this in place, but keep it loose. And so you'll see that goes forward and backwards.
A generation of my time. There is nothing we can do. Stop this plague from breaking through. Don't come around and waste my time. A generation of my kind.
Aft passenger rudder pedal and brake assembly. So we have the brake assembly with the retaining clips, the rudder pedal, the axle, and the clevis rudder pedal driver, and then the cable attach points. So everything's laid out. I've already sanded this piece off up there to make sure that everything slides on properly. And we will first mount it up and drill the holes for the attachments of the rudder pedal and the driver. Working on the main control guide installation. It's a plastic bushing. The rudder cables will go through the left and the right, and then the control will go through the center for the aileron, or for the elevator, and then the trim is on the far right. So trim is here, the elevator controls will go through here, which is this control, and then the 2 small holes will be the rudder cables. So working on installing that piece this morning. Got it measured out, some number 40 drill holes, and then we'll drill it into the frame and get it riveted into place. So this is the main
control guide installation.